Welcome home, Tina.
Thanks, Connie. The flight was a nightmare.
Really?
Ugh, there was a frickin' monster on board. Not a real monster. A little girl who was acting like a monster while her parents were in the back of the plane chugging rum and cokes like some damn pillaging, plundering pirates.
Oh, what was she doing?
Started with her singing Lady Gaga tunes, then morphed into some Chris Angel magic show shit, and the grand finale was her dashing up and down the aisle like an Olympic sprinter with her ass on fire.
The parents or the flight crew didn't stop her?
Oh, stop her! Oh, that's rich. Those dinglewads were in the back applauding and singing along. Frickin' nightmare, Connie. And I forgot my Xanax. Oh, listen, there's a time and place for everything. Okay, and this tiny cramped shit tube pumped with fake air propelling through the air at 600 miles an hour is not the time or the freaking place.
Not at all.
Her parents needed to have things for her to do on the plane, like doodling, writing, watching movies, or sleeping. I'm exhausted, Connie. Screw the carbs today. Can I have a fry?
Oh, take a handful.